In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to reset and undo custom display scaling from 175% to 500% here in your Windows 11. So as you can see, my window or the icons of my window here at the desktop has been bigger as well as here in my taskbar. So in order to fix such problem, all you need to do is you need to press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up your settings. The moment you have bring up your settings, please navigate to the left pane of that, and you can also use your tab key, okay? And the moment you've it selected home, please use your down arrow key and proceed with system and then hit on enter key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the system settings. So here at the system settings, you need to use your tab key again and please select for display and then hit the enter key again, and the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to see the brightness and color settings, the scale and layout, which what we are looking for. So use your tab key again, and the moment you click on it, the moment it marked here, okay, here in this one, just have to click on this down arrow key and choose for the scale that is being highlighted into recommended. So meaning this percentage or this scale is the perfect scale for your Windows 11. So since it is being recommended here, that is the percent or the scale that is being recommended by your machine. So please click on it, and the moment you've clicked on it, wait until it would be applied here successfully. And once done, there you have that. You have just successfully fixed the problem. Okay? So with that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.